Choo, 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 choo. I'm a happy train. Choo, 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 choo. Moving down the lane, blue and red and shiny. Rolling down the track, got my wagons full of friends, and I'm never going back. All aboard, all aboard. We've got baby animals inside.
Ding, ding,
All
ding.
aboard, all aboard. Come and take a ride. Choo, choo, choo. Oh no, baby elephant is crying. Wow, wow, wow. Little trunk up high. Oh no, little tears are flying. Where, oh, where has mommy gone to? Somebody say, where's the mommy? Who can say? Looking in wagon one, no, not there today. Looking in wagon two, no, not there that way. Open wagon three. Mommy's here! Hooray! Par goes the mommy, par goes the baby. Happy, happy, happy. Choo, choo, choo. The elephant family together. Happy, happy. Through and through. Choo, choo, choo. Oh no, baby panda's sobbing. Round little eyes full of sparkle tears. Forgot his bamboo, little tummy's hungry. Where, oh, where has mommy panda gone? Where's the mommy? Who can say? Check the wagon. No way. Look inside. Mommy's got the bamboo. Hooray! Num goes the mommy. Num goes the baby. Happy, happy, happy. Choo, choo, choo. Panda's munching bamboo. Together, everything is fresh and new. Choo, choo, choo. Oh no. Baby zebra's weeping, black and white stripes drooping down in sorrow. Looking left and looking right, but mommy's nowhere in sight. Where can mommy zebra be? Where's the mommy? Who can say? No, not here. No, not here today. Behind that door, mommy's neighing. Come and play. Neigh goes the mommy. Neigh goes the baby. Happy, happy, happy. Choo, choo, choo. Zebra stripes are shining, shimmering, dancing in the morning dew. Choo, choo, choo. Oh no, baby lion's hiding. Tiny fuzzy paws are covering his eyes. He wants to roar, but only goes mew, mew, mew. Oh, find his mommy before the baby cries. Where's the mommy?
Goodbye,
Who can say?
goodbye.
Empty
Till we meet
wagon
again.
one.
I'm a happy
Empty
train.
wagon, nay, it's wagon
you then, my
three.
friends.
Mommy's gonna roar. Hip, hip, hooray. Bar goes the mommy. Mew goes the baby. Happy, happy, happy. Choo, choo, choo. Even tiny lions find their courage when their mama loves them true. Choo, choo, choo. Oh no, baby bunny's sniffling. Enormous floppy ears are drooping low. Little pink nose wiggling while she's weeping. Where, oh where has mommy bunny go? Where's the mommy? Who can say? Just some carrots. No, not here today. Ears perk up. Mommy bunny hop, hooray! Hop goes the mommy. Hop goes the baby. Happy, happy, happy. Choo, choo, choo. Giraffe next, twining gently together, reaching up to touch the blue. Choo, choo, choo. Oh no. Oh no, baby giraffe is so tall. Her neck is thick.
Did you like the Happy Train? Watch again. Don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.
Twining gently. Who can say? Looking in wagon one. No, not there today. Looking in wagon two. No, not there that way. Open wagon three. Mommy's here. Hooray!